Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a new body avatar in Roblox for free. And yes, it's completely free and it only takes a few steps. So if you want to upgrade your avatar without spending any Robux, just make sure to watch till the end. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Roblox apps on your phone. If you are not logging in yet, just go ahead and log into your account. And once you're in, just look at the bottom menu and then tap on your avatar icon, this one. That's where you can customize or edit how your character looks. And then next, from your avatar page, just tap on Marketplace. And this is where you can browse all kinds of items from body, clothing, accessories, and many more. Now we're going to focus on getting new body parts or bundles that are completely free. Just tap on body. And then now to make sure you only see the free ones, just tap on the filter buttons, this one. And then on the price sections, just activate the price range. And then set the maximum value to 0 like this. And then this means Roblox will only show you items that cost absolutely nothing. And then just tap on apply. And like this. After that, just tap on full bodies. And then like this, your screen should show a full list of free body avatars available right now. And from here you can scroll to and preview all the free bodies bundles. You will see different designs. Just choose the one that you like, and then when you find one that you like, just tap on it. Like this, and then to get it, just tap on free button. And then just tap on get. And then tap on customize. And then to use it, just tap on purchase, this one. And then just find the new body parts under your items. Just tap on it and your Roblox avatar will instantly transform with your brand new free body looks like this. And okay, that's it. Super easy, right? Now you have got a brand new avatar body without spending a single Robux. And okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.